Click on the link below to get discount. The RealTruck UnderCover ArmorFlex hard folding truck bed tonneau cover, AX42014, has quickly become a standout addition to my truck, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Designed for durability and convenience, this cover checks many boxes for truck owners looking for reliable storage solutions. One of the highlight features of the ArmorFlex is its hard folding design. Unlike traditional soft covers, the hard panels provide superior protection against the elements and potential theft. The aluminum construction is robust yet lightweight, allowing for easy handling during installation and use. The cover's matte black finish not only looks great but also resists scratches and UV rays, maintaining its appearance over time. Installation was straightforward, taking about 30 minutes without the need for any drilling or special tools. The included clamps secure the cover tightly to the truck bed, ensuring a snug fit that doesn't flap while driving. I appreciated the clear instructions and the ease with which I could adjust the cover to ensure it was perfectly aligned. When it comes to functionality, the ArmorFlex excels. Its trifold design allows for quick access to the truck bed, and I can easily fold it up to accommodate larger items. The cover can be locked in place when folded or rolled up, providing versatility depending on my hauling needs. Rainwater drainage has been effectively managed, as I've noticed my cargo stays dry even during heavy downpours. One minor drawback is that the cover adds some height to the truck bed, which might slightly affect garage clearance for taller vehicles. However, this is a small trade-off for the increased security and improved aesthetic. Overall, the RealTruck UnderCover ArmorFlex hard folding truck bed tonneau cover is a solid investment. With its combination of durability, security, and ease of use, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their truck's capabilities while maintaining a sleek look.